We all understand that as human beings, we daily need to clean our body, to purify ourselves. MashaAllah, Islam is a religion that gives a lot of importance to both the purification of the soul as well as the purification of the body. To purify the soul, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the glorious Quran, in Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, ayat number 129, in Surah Al-Imran, Surah number 3, ayat number 164, as well as in Surah Jumu'ah, Surah number 62, ayat number 2, commanded the beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to recite the Quran to the people and to explain to them the meaning of the Quran, to preach them the understanding of the message of the Quran so that their souls can be purified. So in other words, Islam commands the Muslims to purify their soul by reciting the Quran, understanding the message of the Quran,